If you're prone to really dry skin, maybe even have eczema or some other skin sensitivities, this is a great rich barrier cream. Has a pump style to it. And it is a nice, thick, but very absorbable moisturizing cream. Really, really helps when your skin is feeling super parched. And you can just rub it into your skin. You can use it on your face, your neck, and your chest. You can use it morning and night. It helps with your barrier. Now you can already see the difference with this side having it and this side not. It kind of gives your skin that nice plump look as well. So I'll do the rest of my face here. If I have extra, I always put it on the back of my hands. And that is it. Super simple to use. Great, again, if you have dry skin.